Hey guys, welcome to our review of the 3-in-1 multi-purpose stylus pen, and you can buy this pen using the link in the description below. The fact that this can be used as a pen, stylus and a mobile stand is really great. So let's break this down. Stylus. The stylus performance exceeded my expectations. It does the ordinary task that you do with your hand at ease, but when you give it some more intense tasks, it struggles a lot. So on a scale of 10, I would give this 7 points. Stand. This is really good stand. It holds the phone pretty well, and all of my phones fit in perfectly. It is just at the right angle without blocking your visuals. This performs especially great when you place it on a table. I use this on my dining table all the time. On a scale of 10, I would give this 10 points. And the fact that this is a stylus and a stand is enough for me to buy this thing. But it can be also used as a pen. The included refill is not that good, but you can just replace it if you want it. And I would give this 8 out of 10. And finally, the VFM. I think that this pen has great value in it. It is offered in 2 colors, red and a black one. The build quality, the finish is good considering the price. And you can definitely offer this as a gift to your office, college and schoolmates. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of our future videos.